Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to enable always on your watch. So let's do it. So as you can see right now I don't have always on my watch, and if I turn my hand back now you can see my watch face. And to enable the always on, it is very easy. Just swipe the top bar and here is the icon for always on display, and now let's exit, and now I will turn my hand on the back, and as you can see now you see the watch face, and this is how it looks, the always on option. So let's try again and again, and this is how it looks. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.